Hello everyone, welcome to my NYX Professional Makeup new video for New Zealand Face Award First Challenge. The assigned theme for this challenge was Mother Nature. I have picked a volcanic theme. I get inspired by Rangi Turtle Island, which has dramatic landscape and sitting just off Auckland coast, one of the most distinctive natural landmarks. They said it's the youngest volcano in Auckland and it's emerged from the sea around 700 years ago in series of volcanic explosions. The most recent eruptions happened around 600 years ago in two episodes, 5 to 10 years apart, and lasted for years until it goes to deep sleep. To get this started, I create a homemade gelatin prosthetic. To start with, I will use petroleum jelly around all my hairlines so the prosthetic will not stick to my hair. Then I will apply the prosthetic using skin-safe adhesive, and I will blend the edges with witch hazels. Here I am taking a very light foundation and cover my face and my neck and the prosthetic. To block at the end of my eyebrows, I will use layers of foundation and baby powder. I will start coloring my face using yellow eyeshadow. Then I will blend it with some gold color. I will contour my nose and my cheek and my chin with light orange. Then I will darken it with a dark orange and blend them with a red eyeshadow. Then I will go back to my prosthetic and color it with yellow color, then add some orange to the end and surround it with red color. Taking the white pencil under the eye, and to add more dimensional effect, I will use orange eyeshadow and red eyeshadow. I will start doing my eye makeup with a red color on the corner of the eye. To do my eyebrow, I will use gold eyeliner and orange lipstick and red lipstick at the end. I will use the black eyeshadow under the eye and to draw the eyeliner and on the crease. Also, I will use the black eyeshadow to darken some area of my eyebrow. Here I will start doing some shadow on the flame on the prosthetics. After I finish adding some shadows with the black color, I will use the red and orange eyeshadow to add more dimensional effect and blend them from the prosthetic to my forehead. Also, I will add some lines coming from the flames in the prosthetic to my forehead with the black color and red and orange. For the lip, I will color it with a gold color. Then I will use the white eye pencil and start drawing some flames in my neck. Then I will color the flames with yellow and orange and red. To add more details, I will use the black eyeshadow and I will go over all the flames. I will go back to my prosthetic and I will use the black eyeliner and I will go over all the edges of the flames. Also, I will go over all the flames in my neck with the black eyeliner. I will use the orange lipstick to do some lines coming from the flames to my forehead. Also, I will add these lines to my neck. To do more stronger look to my contour, I am using red lipstick to contour my cheek, and I will blend them really well. Then I will use the same lipstick in the outer corner of my eyes and add red glitter. Then I will go with the gold eyeliner and add some lines to the prosthetic, and also the same with my inner corner in the eyes. I will add gold eyeliner and gold glitter. Then I will use the black liquid eyeliner and I will start outline my eye. I will draw the line under the eyes and above the eyes and also in the crease. After that, I will use the gold color and start to very small flames coming above the crease. Then blend it with an orange color and red lipstick. I will go back to my lip and I will draw some small flames with red lipstick. Then I will use the black eyeliner to color my lip. When I am doing my lip, I will try to draw the flames. And then I will go with very small brush and black eyeliner and outline the small flames in my eye. Then I will go with the red eyeshadow and draw some lines coming down from my eyes, and also go over it with the gold eyeliner and black eyeliner. Try to darken the lines using black eyeshadow. To finish my look, I will add red and gold glitter to my neck. And here we throw some mascara and add the eyelashes and wear my contact lenses. Then I will color my hand with the black color. And here is the final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget please to vote for me. The vote will open 9th of May, and if you like my video, please share it.